we need to do now is to cut out the sleeves. I want to cut out bell sleeves for my dress. So in order for you to cut out the sleeves, you will need to measure the armhole of your dress. This is my armhole. So I'm starting from the top and then I'm going to measure. So after taking your armhole measurement, whatever you get, this is half of your armhole. So you're going to multiply it by 2. That is for both the front and the back. But we're using half of the measurement anyway. So whatever you get is what you're going to be using to draft out your sleeves. Okay? So this is 1 yard of fabric. I'm going to be using 1 yard to draft both my sleeves. So it's unfold. I folded it once, I folded it twice. Okay? And I'm going to be using the whole length. So the whole length is about 22.5 inches, almost 23 inches. But this bottom part, I'm going to be folding it in. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's the length I'm going to be using. So the first thing I'm going to do is to measure out my cap height. So my cap height is 4.6 inches. So I measure from here to 4.6 inches on here. And I'll draw a horizontal line to connect my points. So this is where I'm going to be plotting in my measurement, the measurement I just took. This is where it's going to be. Then on your cap height line, this is where you're going to be plotting in the measurement you took. And then I'm going to draw a diagonal line. And then get the midpoint of this line that we just drew. So measure your midpoint like this, and then I'll mark. Join Remy's Fashion YouTube membership. Want to take your sewing skills to the next level? What if you could get exclusive tutorials, secret sewing tips, and even free PDF patterns? Well, guess what? You can. Hello sewing friends, my name is Remy, and first off, I just want to say a big thank you. Seriously, whether you're watching, liking, or commenting on my videos, I truly appreciate you. And today, I want to invite you to be part of something special, Remy's Fashion YouTube membership. Why join? Becoming a Remy's Fashion member is like joining an exclusive sewing club where you get early access to my videos before anyone else, PDF guides and instruction sheets to help you master pattern drafting, members only tutorial videos just for you, discounts on my PDF sewing patterns, and sometimes you even get them for free, faster replies to your questions so you get the help you need quickly. But wait, there is more. We have 3 membership tiers, so you can pick the one that fits you best. A little sneak peek, members also get to see behind the scenes of my upcoming projects before they go live. How to join? Joining is super easy. Just click the join button below this video or check the description box for the membership link. If you're already a member, thank you so much. Your support means the world to me. So are you ready to level up your sewing game? Click join and let's create beautiful fashion together. This is my midpoint, and then I will draw like a cone to meet the edge from here. And then downwards from the midpoint to this point. So this is my correct line. And then you add your 1 inch sewing allowance. So this measurement, so whatever yours is, bring it down here to the length line. It's a bell sleeves. I'm adding 5 more inches to it. And then I'll connect from here all the way to the bottom. I'm going to go up by 1 inch. just not to have pointed edge. You can do half an inch, prefer to do 1 inch, and then I'll connect. So this is our best sleeve. So now I'm going to cut out. My sleeves, these are my sleeves. So make sure you fold it into 2 and then notch. Make sure it's equal. Notch the top. So this is the part that is going to go on the shoulder seam. Notch the other one as well. I'll make sure it's folded equally and then I'll notch. So to add the sleeves, I'll take my dress. So right sides, I'll open it up like this and then I'll place my sleeves, the notched side, right sides as well, on the shoulder seam. See? I'll open up my shoulder seam. I'll place it. And I'll do this all the way to the end and all the way to the end, and then I'm going to sew. I'll sew this side and I'll sew this side as well, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. So after sewing in my sleeves, this is what I have. See, these are my sleeves. So all that is left for us to do now is to sew the sides. I'm going to sew the sides closed. So whatever sewing allowance you left, use that to sew the sides, and then hem. I'm going to serge the bottom. I will also serge the edges of the sleeves, and then I will sew the sides, and then I will hem. So let's go to the sewing machine and sew the sides closed. So after sewing the sides of my dress and hemming, this is what we have. And I've also serged. I've done the finishing. So if you have an overlocker, you overlock, or a serger, you overlock and then you hem. So that's what I did. So these are my sleeves, and then this is my neckline. I finished it up nicely. So this is my shift dress with bell sleeves, all done. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Take care and God bless.